Again. Slow down, baby. You're going too fast. Again. What happened? Do you press it? Maybe the horse is tired. You're pretty rough with them. Slow down. Why? What happened? You have to press it right in the middle. Right here. Come here. I'll show you. Come here. Put it here. Press it right in the middle. There you go. Say bye-bye, Nhi. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.